한참을 나만 바라봐.
It tastes like mango. I think you gave me coconut with mango. Oh, because it's mixed. It's pretty yummy. Okay, we're at IKEA today. I'm gonna go buy a shelf and I'm gonna take a look around. Probably I'm gonna buy a shelf and not shelf, like those tiny drawers for my makeup, and then a chair and get some food. Yeah, it's been so long since I went to IKEA. Cafe section. Look at all these fake trees. My favorite time table. Look at that. Oh. Yes. Eat time.
该是的月底。对你的。
They're so loud. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Cannot put that. Really stirs though. Good. Time to recharge with my lunch. But it may take 4 hours. It's been so long and I'm still dying. I feel like I'm growing up. I've been craving croissants every day. And I'm not usually a bread person. Pastries and croissants. And you know how they say bakeries, bread and croissants are a mom's or women's thing? Like, back to work. Final drawer. We're finally done. That was really tiring. Guys, that took like 4 hours. Accomplishment.
Good, thank you.
Huh?
Time.
Insect bite. I don't like cucumber, but the table's dirty. Snack time. Again. Finally, a proper meal. Actually, no, I ate a proper meal just now. I think it was just too little. Because I ate the leftover beef stew. Ooh, look at what my mom made. I've always wanted to try the noodle version of tteokbokki, so I'm super excited. Look at that, it looks so good. Yeah, I just want to try. I'm quite full, so I'm just gonna try like... I hear someone! Pass. I got my new blender and cutter. Actually, it came so fast. It came in like 2 days. So I didn't expect it to be here already, but unboxing time. Yay! Now we're gonna open, guess which color I got. Actually, I wish they had white or pink, but I really like this color too. What a shame, baby, what a shame. Two-in-one mini blender and chopper. You can do both. You can chop and blend. I saw the photo and then I was like, the blue is pretty, but like I don't know if I actually like it. And then I saw the review, and when they took the photo, it looks so good. Sharp. Gecko. So this is a smoothie bottle first. Chopper. It's a lot bigger actually. I can put my carrots in here because every time I cut carrots, I'm just like, oh my gosh, I want to buy a food chopper. So we have that. Yeah. So we have this. I'm super excited to use them to make more smoothies